bored. Can you imagine? We finished everything with me I do. Me not have nothing to do today. Me not have nothing to do tomorrow. Me not have nothing to do for the rest of the week. So me go to home boring. And I go to sit down and file my nails. No sir, people feel boring but no sir. Me never nobody fi call me and ask me out. Can't manage this here, sir. Much as COVID-19 me that chance. I want go out, man. Me not lie, I want go out. I really want go out. Can't manage. Can't manage at all. Father, if somebody could have just asked me out, me not lie. Nah lie, I'm not glad feet. Why me I tell you? No, Father God, you do things quickie. But look for who I call this a junk career. No, sir. Me answer it for. Hello. Hi.
What's up?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. So what are you doing?
I've been very busy. I've been very, very busy.
Okay, so will you be available tomorrow?
No, I don't think I'll be available tomorrow because I'm very busy.
Okay, how about Thursday?
Thursday?
Yeah.
Nah.
Alright, so Friday?
Friday's sticky. I don't think.
Saturday?
Saturday, me I tell you, I'm busy bad. Bad.
Okay, so you can make it Sunday?
Sunday? Is the worst day. Now this is COVID-19 times. I mean, I lie. It's rough.
Okay, it was cash up 50,000 I had for your birthday that I wanted to give you.
So you have 50,000 for me for my birthday that you wanted to give me?
That's right.
So, it's very, I'm very busy now, but I could see what I could do today. Maybe.
No, I'm busy today.
You're busy today?
Yes.
How about tomorrow?
No, I have an appointment.
You have an appointment tomorrow?
Which is right.
So how about Thursday?
No, I have a meeting.
You have a meeting Thursday, Friday?
Friday, no, I'm not available Friday. I have a doctor. I have to see the doctor.
Saturday?
No, I got things to do.
Sunday?
No, I gotta go to church and...
Oh, this man. Alright, bye. I'll get to you.
Okay, bye.
But I want to this young man here. Him ask me say he want to see me every day. But no, he not available. The man wicked and mean. You think you have 50 grand for me? Mean like. Sure. You want the money there, no man. Sure.
She's a user.